Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to add shop button on Instagram. So when you open your Instagram app, as you can see on your screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you are on your profile page. And then tap on the edit profile button below your bio and your profile name. Now, as you can see on your screen, you need to tap on switch to professional account. Now to set up your account, you need to tap on continue. And then right here, if you want to have a business account, you need to tap these options. You can choose these products or service. You can choose the supermarket, convenience store, or you can choose the shopping and retail. Now here, you need to choose the business. Then tap on next. And then right here, under the review your contact info, you can put here your public business information like your email address, phone number, and your contacts. Here, you can just skip this option. Now finally, you can now set up your professional account or business account. But this time, I will tap on X. Now finally, as you can see on your screen, my account has changed to business account. Now to add some shop buttons, you need to tap on edit profile. Now right here, you can choose profile display options and turn to toggle on this display category label and display contact info. And you can see at the bottom the text that they can see on your profile. And then you need to complete the details, the category, which is shopping and retail, contact options, phone number, and all of that stuff. And you can see on your screen right now, my account has a contact button on the right part of your screen. Here you can see the contact numbers and the email address. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.